We need butter, we need flour, we need eggs, we need a measuring cup, and we need a bowl and a mixer. And of course, the ingredients. We need the butter first, and we have to chop the butter into half. I'm cutting the butter into this bowl into little pieces, just a square, and then make it as a square. Have you ever saw a penguin wearing a jacket? I have.
Is there a punchline to that?
Now you have to get an adult to help melt the butter. I have to pour this into the bowl and put the butter into the bowl. Now we have to pour this into here.
Tap it, Maxie.
Tap, tap, tap. Now I have to put 2 eggs in. See? I have to put 2 eggs in. Now I have to crack the eggs. Spin that into the bowl. Make sure it gets all the bumpy bits. And then I pour in a little bit.
Alright, stop.
Number 3. We have to scrape this into here.
Hold on, stop.
I can't see. Already. Now I'll get an adult to help put it in the oven, Mummy.
Are you ready?
Thanks for watching the cooking for Quinn and Max.